Good evening and welcome to We the People. What is it about India's national song Vande Mataram that seems to lapse into political and religious controversy every few years? The most recent controversy has come this past week after a resolution passed by a congregation in Deoband asking Muslims not to sing Vande Mataram. A congregation that became more controversial because it was attended by, among others, India's Home Minister and other senior political leaders. Today, we try to examine the anatomy of this song. What is it about it that seems to evoke such strong reactions and attempts by different political parties to talk about how everyone should sing this song? We debate, is dissent against India's national song legitimate? Like always, of course, we have a live studio audience, but you can also SMS your comments. You can also get onto our website, ndtv.com. And if you prefer, you can also tweet your comment. My Twitter handles @BDutt. Let's get started straight with this debate by starting with Congress leader Rashid Alvi. Rashid Saab, of course, as a Muslim politician associated with the Congress party, were you disheartened, were you disappointed by the kind of resolution that was passed by the Deoband congregation?
I am disappointed even with this discussion.
Why is that?
It is not so important that we discuss it here. There are more than 27% people in the country who are living below poverty line. There is more than 29% people, they don't have drinkable water. There are more than 40% people, they don't have toilets facilities. And we are talking about Vande Mataram, whether we should sing Vande Mataram or not. I am sorry that we should not discuss such kind of controversial issues.
Is it controversial or is it controversial or is it trivial?
1 minute. Actually, our media is in habit to do it. It is not only
You're going to blame the media, although a top-powered delegation of your party, led by the Home Minister, Sachin Pilot, and Sitaram Yechuri of the left, all of you were there in this congregation. Obviously, you believe it was an important platform.
Barkha, of course, I am in Congress. I am proud to be a congressman. Yes. But I suggest that no politician should participate in any religious program, whether it is Hindu program or Muslim program. You have no business to go and to participate in any religious program.
This is
a secular country. This is a secular country. And this is a national song. And nobody is forced to sing this song. Nobody in the country has been put pressure that no, you are bound to sing it. So where is the question to issue a fatwa? Let me say, Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. You ask any Maulvi, my brother Yahya Bukhari is sitting here, whether is there any objectionable thing in it? No. Actually, we should not take literally the meanings of every word. Whether if you ask any Maulvi, Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara, Hindustan is better than Makkah? He cannot reply.
But can I ask
Hindustan
you something?
is better than Medina?
Yeah.
He cannot reply. So we should not think in such terms. 90% Muslim poets, they have praised Sharab. You will justify it?
No.
Anybody has issued any fatwa?
They may, in this age of fatwas,
no, nobody has. I have not gone through it.
But I want to ask you something.
Why are you creating this problem?
Okay, so part of it you're saying is the media trivialization. But can I ask you, you said something very important. Yeah. You said, this is a secular country. Nobody should go to no politician should go to a religious...
This is my personal opinion. I'm not imposing on anybody.
So you personally think, think that that political delegation that went to Deoband should not have gone?
Yeah, definitely I am of the opinion. Although I know why are you asking me, but definitely I am of this opinion.
You're going to be in trouble with your party.
You tell me.
You're going to be in trouble with your party.
You tell me one thing. You tell me one thing.
Yeah, I'm just coming to the second.
You tell me one thing. Those who are raising this issue, issuing fatwa, they are members of parliament. Every session of Rajya Sabha and every session of Lok Sabha comes to an end with Vande Mataram only.
Tuba.com